Alright, so we made it in Big Bear. I've already put all my stuff up. But yeah, I'm here for a couple days, and this is the view from outside of here out at night. But I gotta, haha, there we go. Yeah, so I got here just before sunset. There's a pool. I think that's a hot tub. But yeah, this is the area that we'll be at for the next couple of days. Yeah, kind of cool. I need to get stuff out of my car, so we're going to get that stuff there now. So this is where we're staying at. We're staying at the Snow Lake Lodge. That's where we're staying at. But yeah, it's getting late. I woke up at 5:15 to get to work. So I should probably go to bed. I got my Canonet loaded with the film. We're out in the shopping area. I forget what this area is called, but I know that the first couple of photos are just gonna be like trash photos. Nothing's gonna really look good. So I'll just kind of take whatever random photos, and then once I get to the actual counter, then I'll actually start thinking about taking better pictures. Alright, so the way that I'm going to figure out my camera settings is I have this app on my phone that will use my camera, and I just set the ISO and what my aperture will be, and it tells me what my shutter is. The reason why I have to use this is because my camera doesn't have a battery inside of it, so I don't know what camera settings to really shoot at. So on this app, I can go to camera meter, it'll pull up my camera, set my ISO to 200, because that's what it says, and the fastest shutter speed is 500th. F11, let's see that. So yeah, to take this picture, let's just zoom in with this, 250th or so. Set my camera to 250th at F11. I'm getting a call from my sister because they're like, where are you at? Setting up my camera. But hopefully that should be good for my first picture. I'll look through the app again, figure out what my settings are, and then take my first shot.
Yeah, you can. It's a film camera. What?
I can't see anything.
Right. That's how all our pictures used to be, so you never knew if you got the shot or not.
Ready? Is that it? Just that little...
I don't know why I decided to look away, but then I did. I should have smiled.
So I just came over to this local park to see this view. So hopefully I can get some sort of mountaintop view over there. I also brought with me my Polaroid camera, so maybe get a shot of this scene behind me here with that, because I'm still trying to figure this out. For some reason I think it's just the film. It doesn't seem to be working well. Oh look, there's some people kayaking right there. You can see them right there. That'd be pretty if I could somehow see them. I'm gonna guess, like what I've been doing, F8, that should be 500th. Yeah, F8 500, that seems pretty good. Here we go. You're supposed to shield it from the sun. I mean, probably don't have to do it that much, the Polaroid film. It's pretty good nowadays, but still, do that. Probably gonna take another shot over here. It's really weird shooting film because I think I know the settings. I've been using that app, but just kind of not really knowing that I got the shot. It's kind of worrisome. So I've been mainly having this at just infinity because that just seems to be where everything wants to be in focus, right? Because 5 feet away from me, I'm never gonna have my subject for like landscapes or things like that. It's always gonna be past 15 feet, which like that shot, that to the bars here, that was around 15 feet. So as my camera slightly falls over. But yeah, maybe I'll take another one because I like, okay, I'm not gonna keep this here. It's looking like there's something. I like that there's people out there. That kind of adds a focal point to the photo. But I think I want to try and get one more, maybe get the park over here and get this whole scene as the background, and there are kids playing at the park, so maybe. Oh, I just took a photo. I wasn't recording, but I'll pop it up right here. Yeah, that looks pretty good, right? I have no idea. It was two guys walking back, one with the board, one with the paddles, so hopefully got something. And I just noticed there's a little ledge that I can walk down. I want to get that guy. Get that guy carrying his stuff. I'm really bad at taking pictures. I need to just go and do it and not worry about people looking at me, or specifically that one guy being like, hey, why are you so close to me? You know, just go, boom, whatever. They shouldn't care, but I just need to get over that point. Yeah, now there's gonna be two people carrying the kayak, so that could be interesting to get. Alright, I got something. Let's see, I'm on 11. It's a 24 exposure roll, and that was shot 11, so almost halfway through. If it's world famous?
Well, you have to like tag us or something. So.
Okay.
You can just name it like man and shoot paddleboard.
Yeah.
Abs and boards.
I'm not that famous.
Alright.
Just had a quick little chat. They were just curious that if I got a picture of their husband or her husband. It's not both of theirs. Anyways, he was carrying 2 paddle boards. Yeah. Nice to meet people. See, people are nice. Don't worry about taking their picture. They should be nice.
It should stop. What happened?
I did it twice and it
Okay.
now stopped.
Okay, now you're good.
Okay, 3.
Cool.
It never tells me to take it. It's so weird.
We just took 25th, so we should
Have one more.
rewind. No, we should be good to rewind it. We gotta press this button on here.
Do you have it or his mom?
So then, this. I should feel. So that's moving.
Did you want more film?
Yeah.
Is there only one way to go? Yeah, because it needs
I
to
felt
end
it click.
over there,
I'm
right?
pretty sure. There we go. Okay. So now.
You open it and take it out.
Yeah,
You did it.
I did it.
It's so funny because that used to be the only way to do.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
This is why. I have to pull that up. There we go. Cool.
Your first.
Now we're gonna load this one. Our first roll.
We'd come back from a trip and have like 25 of these. It takes a Costco.
So we
1 hour
just-
photo.
We just go like this, and that helps hold it down. See how the pin goes
Yeah.
right in there.
That's exactly what we used to do back in the day.
Okay, I like this one, this spot.
Right.
here.
You guys ready? All right, go for it.
Tell me when.
That's it.
Okay.
Cool.
Put your helmet
Now, you may do another one?
Do a helmet with it too.
All right.
Well, we got one of you.
We already have a minute.
Let me do one without the bike with my helmet. So Bob, if you just wind it with your thumb.
Right here?
Yeah, you just push it all the way, all the way, all the way. There we go. And then can you do it tall?
Like this?
Yeah. And then I'm gonna be right here.
I like it. Hold it.
There we go. Cool.
I think you'll like that one. It got his bags in the back.
Nice.
You want to do a group of all of us, Bennett?
Yeah. Can I have you take a picture for us? Sure. All right. So.
What the heck? A real camera?
Yeah. You know how these work, right?
Yeah.
All right. I've already wound everything set up. Just make sure we're all through the viewfinder, then just push that down.
Okay.
So.
Come on in here, man.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Cool.
Fabulous.
That's it.
You guys are
Thanks.
having a great day.
Yeah, it's been going good so far. Yeah, if you want to take pictures just of the gondolas in front of you or something, have at it.
might hear the film come out of the end, then it should get easier, then it should be completely free.
Yeah.
So, free.
Yeah.
Now just pull that whole thing up. And now the door should be open. And is the film wound up? You did it, right? Yeah.